Hey guys, B Nasty here. Gonna try to get out a quick summer 1917 turn in Operation Stormy Weather as the US. I did my tech on Discord, so I've already moved all of the associated technologies. I think the big news today was advancing to attack transports, although I'm not buying any, and also to Stage 3 artillery, where I'll get a free anti-air unit. And that is about it. I also rolled my diplomacy on Discord, so Brazil is Stage 3, Netherlands are back to Stage 1. And then for purchases, I've done this math in my head a few times, and I feel like I keep screwing something up, so let's try it one more time. I'm going to complete this cruiser, carrier for 5, and this minor dockyard for 2, so that's 7. Plus 10 is 17, plus another 7 is 24. 25 for the airfield, another 2 there is 27. This one's free because of the tech, so about 27 plus 9 is 36, and a French Lend-Lease militia for 2 is 38, so that's all 38 spent. And that is that. Okay. For the combat moves, I don't think I'm going to have a whole heck of a lot. These two and this guy are going to attack here, along with this fighter, who'll go 1, 2. And then down here, going to declare war on Argentina, and I will attack these two territories. And then over in the Pacific, I'm going to move this fleet with these 4 units, 1, 2, and we will attack the Marshall Islands. Yeah, so that's I think that's kind of it for combat. We will. Oh, I'll just pause you guys for 1 second here. Okay, well, I just got a phone call. I have to go, so I'm going to stop this one, and I will pick up again, hopefully later this evening. Okay, bye for now.